In the spirit of Thanksgiving, I'd like to share with you some of the things I'm grateful for in this wonderful life on planet Earth. Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. I am thankful for the trees. They give us shelter from the sun and give us fresh, clean, fragrant air to breathe. I am thankful for the sun. It gives us light and reminds us to keep shining our light every single day. I am grateful for the beautiful sunrises and sunsets. It reminds us of a new beginning and hope for a better tomorrow. I am grateful for the snow. It reminds us of the beauty in nature. It gives off calm and brings people together. I am thankful for the lake. It gives us access to water not only to drink but also to swim in and play on. I am grateful for the mountains. They are beautiful, make us explore, and can give you memories for life. thankful for the sound of rushing mountain stream. It reminds us of life, that no matter what happens in your life, it always goes on. I am thankful for the flowers. They are a gift to this earth. They paint contrasting colors along the ground and bring such happiness and joy to people. And lastly, I am thankful for our Father in heaven. I am incredibly grateful for the beauty of God's creation and the opportunity to be able to explore and wonder. I am thankful for the feeling of peace and relaxation that comes from being in nature. We are truly blessed for our life on this beautiful planet Earth. Be thankful every day. How about you? What are you thankful for? Leave your comments below. I love hearing from you. And stay tuned for more outdoor adventures. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. And see you in the next adventure. Bye!